Investment Basics, your journey to growing wealth. Welcome to our crash course on investment basics, where your money becomes a tool to create more money, just like magic. Imagine having a special pot that multiplies your money over time. That's what investments are, a way to let your money work and grow on its own. Instead of sitting idle, investing makes your money flourish. It's a path to building wealth, realizing financial dreams, and even keeping ahead of rising prices. There's a world of options to invest in. Stocks are like pieces of companies, bonds are loans that pay you back, real estate values go up, and there are even baskets of investments managed by pros. Investments can rise or fall, so there's risk involved. But remember, they generally grow over time, even with their ups and downs. Start by having clear goals. What do you want from your investments? Research or get advice, then pick where to invest. The key is patience. Investments need time to grow. Investment Basics empower your money to bloom and prosper over time. It's your ticket to wealth and financial goals, allowing your money to labor on your behalf. So, whether you're a newbie or just curious, grasp the world of investments, a cornerstone of securing your financial destiny. Get ready to embark on your investment journey and watch your wealth thrive. If you enjoyed this video or feel like you have learned something new, please like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend.